In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Fortnite Epic Games Launcher white screen bug. So make sure that you watch till the end if you want to know how to fix it. And let's start. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel, like this video if it helped, and use my support a creator code BoostedAnimalYT. What you want to do now is right click on the taskbar and open the task manager. Now find the Epic Games Launcher application, click on it, and click on End Task. Once you end it, what you want to do is close the task manager, click on the search bar, and type DSPC, and open it. Now double click on local disk C, click on Users, click on PC, click on File, click on Change Folder and Search Options, go to the View tab, and make sure that the Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives button is checked. Once you check it, click on Apply and click on OK. Now double click on the App Data folder, double click on Local. Now find the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Double click on Saved and open the Web Cache folder. Now just delete everything that is in this folder. So just click on Ctrl+A, right click on any of the files and click on Delete. I'm not gonna delete them because I already fixed the problem on my PC, but what you want to do is just click on Delete, close the folder and open the Epic Games Launcher. Once you open it, the game will just re-download the files and this problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and use my supporter creator code BoostedAnimalYT if this video helped you. Thanks for watching again and bye.